started to hail in the Colosseum. The Pokémon are softly lit by the glow of the crystals. The battle begins! The red corner makes the first attack. It hits. Scizor is losing its health. It's really starting to hail in the Colosseum. I wonder how this is going to affect the battle. The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Walrein is sent out. Scizor starts to attack. Vaporeon is sent out. Walrein restored its health. A heated battle is unfolding in the Colosseum. The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Articuno is sent out. Hit, but this is not a favorable matchup. Vaporeon is losing its health. The air in the Colosseum is tense. Articuno uses its move. Both corners are carefully examining their opponent. The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Abomasnow is sent out. The red corner shifts out their Pokémon as well. Scizor is sent out. The battle's outcome is still up in the air. Who will reach for victory first? Fierce blow. The blue corner barely holds on. Snorlax is sent out. Had its health sapped by Leech Seed. A heated battle is unfolding in the Colosseum. corner calls their Pokémon back. Scizor is sent out. It hits. The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Walrein is sent out. Scizor restored its health. Walrein restored its health. Not much has happened. Who will change things up? The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Articuno is sent out. Solid hit, but this is not a favorable matchup. Snorlax is sent out. Snorlax is losing its health. The battle's outcome is still up in the air. Who